Once again, welcome children. Children, here I am going to explain subtraction of liter and milliliter. So look here, your question is subtract 28 liter 150 milliliter from 29 liter 155 milliliter. Now you all know the bigger capacities are minuend. So here you can see 29 liter 155 milliliter is your minuend. So your first step is to write the units. Here you can see liter is written and here milliliter is written. So I have written liter and milliliter over here. Your next step is to write the bigger capacity. So I have written 29 here and 155 over here. Now children, look here, before liter we have 29, so I have written 29 under liter column, and before milliliter we have 155, so I have written 155 under milliliter column. Now this one is our subtrahend part. Okay, so you can see here before liter we have 28, so I have written 28 under liter column below 29, and before milliliter we have 150, so I have written 150 under milliliter column, and below 155. So what we have to do now, we have to do subtraction. So 5 minus 0 5, 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0, and here 9 minus 8 1, 2 minus 2 0. So you can see here 1 is under liter column and 5 is under milliliter column. So here our answer is 1 liter 5 milliliter. Moving to the next page. Look here children, your question is subtract 28 liter 10 milliliter from 29 liter 325 milliliter. So 29 liter 325 milliliter is our minuend and 28 liter 10 milliliter is our subtrahend. So your first step is to write the units. Here I have written liter and milliliter. Next step, write the bigger capacity. I have written 29 and under liter column and 325 under milliliter column. After that I have written 28 under liter column and 10 under milliliter column. So 5 minus 0 5, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 0 3, 9 minus 8 1, 2 minus 2 0. So you can see 1 is under liter column and this 5 is under 315 is under milliliter column. So our answer is 1 liter 315 milliliter. You can do it in another way also. So this is other way. Express the given measures in liter in this decimal form. So I have written 29.325 liter and here I have written 28.010 liter. So after subtracting 28.010 liter from 29.325 liter, we get 1.315 liter, and you can also say 1 liter 315 milliliter. So you can use this way also. Moving to the next page. Look here children, your question is subtract 28 liter 910 milliliter from 29 liter 825 milliliter. So 29 liter 825 milliliter is your minuend and this one is your subtrahend. Okay, so your first step is to write the units. So I have written liter milliliter over here. After that I have written bigger capacity, and after that I have written 28 liter 910 milliliter. Now what we have to do, we have to do subtraction. 5 minus 0 5, 2 minus 1 1, 8 minus 9 not possible. So what we will do, we will borrow 1 liter from here. Okay, so when you will borrow 1 liter from here, you all know 1 liter equals 1000 milliliter, and 1000 milliliter plus 825 milliliter equals 1825 milliliter. So here I am writing 1. Okay, and 18 minus 9 equals 9. Here we have now 8, and 8 minus 8 equals 0. 2 minus 2 equals 0. So our answer is 915 milliliter, and you can do it in this way also. Express the given measures in liter in decimal form. Then you all know 29 liter 825 milliliter can be written as 29.825 liter, and 28 liter 910 milliliter can be written as 28.910 liter. Okay, so after subtraction we are getting 0.915 liter as the answer, or you can also say 915 milliliter. Okay, moving to the next page. Look here, your question is subtract 28 liter 910 milliliter from 56 liter 85 milliliter. So here your minuend is 56 liter 85 milliliter. So you can see here this one is your subtrahend. So first step, write the units. I have written the units over here. After that you have to write the bigger capacity. I have written here. After that you have to write 28 liter 910 milliliter. So I have written here. Okay, now 5 minus 0 5, 8 minus 1 7. Now here 0 minus 9 not possible. What we will do, we will borrow 1 liter from here. So it will become 1085 milliliter. Okay. So now 10 minus 9 equals 1 and here we have 5. So 5 minus 8 not possible, so we will borrow 10 liter from here. It will become 15. 15 minus 8 equals 7 and here we have 4. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. So our answer is 27 liter 175 milliliter. Moving to the next page. Next question is, find the difference between 56 liter and 2 liter 910 milliliter. Children, look here, your question is difference. Find the difference between 26 liter 2 liter 910 milliliter. Now children, here this one, the bigger capacity 56 liter, so we will write minuend over here, and this one is your smaller capacity, we will write subtrahend over here. Okay, so first step, write the units. Second step, write the bigger capacity, then smaller capacity, and then do the subtraction. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, not possible. So we will borrow 1 liter from here. So you all know 1 liter equals 1000 liters. So here I am writing 1000 and 1000 plus 0 equals 1000 milliliter. So now 10 minus 9. Now what you have to do here, we have to borrow 1 from here and it will become 10 and here we have 9. Okay, so 10 minus 1 equals 9, 9 minus 9 equals 0, and here now we have 5. 5 minus 3 equals 5 minus 2 equals 3 and 5 minus 0 equals 5. So our answer is 53 liter 90 milliliter. Moving to the next page. So look here children, your question is subtract 325 milliliter from 28 liter. So what you have to do, here your 28 liter is your minuend and 325 milliliter is your subtrahend. So now you can see here we have 0 at 1's place, 10's place and at 100 place at the top position. So what we will do, we will borrow 1 liter from here, it will become 1000 milliliter. Now here we will be having 7. Now you have to do the subtraction over here, and you can do it in this way also. You can convert these capacities in decimal in liters, and after that you will get 27 liters 675 milliliter as the answer. Okay, so here you can also see we are getting the same answer with this way. So with this we come to an end, and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.